Hi there, my name is Jeremy. I am here to share a success story as a Turing developer. I am currently working in one of the biggest US-based electric car companies, a Turing client. The client needed an application to manage their supply information and orders from their suppliers. The project came with a lot of challenges that I was determined to tackle. We had tens of thousands of inputs that we needed to manage, which created performance issues for the applications. With my React expertise, I was able to use data rendering techniques to optimize the performance of the application, while using memoization to avoid unnecessary re-renders. This improved the overall performance of the application. The client wanted the validation process to be as flexible as possible. This is where my expertise in SOT came in handy. This allowed us to create validation requirements that could easily be changed as the business continued to evolve. We used a combination of manual and automated testing to make sure that the solution was working as expected. This includes everything from unit testing, integration testing, and quality assurance reviews. The impact of our solution on the client was immediate. Both the employees and the suppliers found the application more convenient and easier to use, which led to adding features that the client hadn't previously considered. Working on this project, I got to use my expertise in React, AWS, GraphQL, and Python. I was also able to rely on Git feature branch workflow, coding standards and guidelines, which helped keep the team well coordinated. I am incredibly proud of the impact that I had in this team and the results that we were able to achieve. There's nothing better than seeing a client pleased with the product you've delivered. Whether you need a solution for a single project or you're looking for services that are just as committed to excellence as I am, then you're in luck. Turing is home to some of the most talented developers and experts around the world, and we are all dedicated to helping businesses just like yours succeed. So if you're looking for a partner you can trust to help you drive growth and innovation, then look no further than Turing. Turing is ready to help you take your business to the next level.